Hey guys, my first salary is on YouTube. Yeah, PM me on how to get your salaries and payments. Thank you. Hey guys, my first salary on Google AdSense.
Ito na ikaw.
Google Incorporated.
Ikaw mo lang.
Sent by the Google Incorporated. Yung na Google Incorporated.
G-O-O.
My first salary is 9,624. Hi guys, I received my salary on YouTube 9,000. Pila to? 9,600. Yeah. Keep thumbs up, like and share guys. Bye.